Hey guys, this is Miss Rebecca from the Kingwood Branch Library, and today in our No Bake series we're going to make Nutella Pizza! Let's get started. First you need a tortilla, then you need some Nutella, and half of a banana, and pomegranate arils. Da, 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 da. First, you take the tortilla and we'll spread some Nutella on it. Could you hear that plane overhead? I'm leaving it in there because it sounds awesome. All right. Once we've got the Nutella spread, let's cut up this banana into slices. When we've made our sliced banana, we're going to put it right on top of our Nutella here. Likes to eat arrows and bananas. And for the final touch, we'll be sprinkling on those arrows. And there you have it. Nutella Pizza. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day.